Yo, welcome back to the channel. Got another video. Got the car outside here and going to clean it up, and then I have these all back inserted, good to go. And I bought all the hardware for them, so we're going to test fit them on the car, make sure they fit up to the knuckles, because when they were drilled out inserted, don't know if they went off center or not, so we're going to test those out. I had it like fitted up here. You have to take the whole brake disc off of there because it's not the right like offset for it, but we just need to know if it'll bolt right up. And then the rears, I don't have the adapter brackets yet, so I probably won't do anything there, but first of all I'm gonna spray this bad boy off and get it cleaned up. Let's go.
Fresh out of Japan. It was like a so fucking.
I'm gonna take the pink off, get rid of it so I can make sure it's all clean. That was easy. Wheel and tire shine for the win. I put this in the bucket. check it out. Company 23 started to follow me. That's sick. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up here. Not sure what was going on, but the GoPro turned off because it was too hot. But both calipers bolt up. They're not off center or anything. Inserts are holding perfect. Everything's bolting up really nice, solid, no gimmicks. Both calipers, test them out. Either way, we'll know they fit. I mean, I fit both on this side. It doesn't matter because right or left they bolt up, so they are on center, good to go. I ordered the powder coat for these guys, so that'll be coming soon. Gonna drop them off to get blasted and coated, hopefully this Friday or Monday. So a couple days, and next video hopefully we'll have a Brembo rebuild video coming. I've got all the seals and everything ready to go, and we'll have fresh coat, so I will reveal that color to you. They're gonna look pretty freaking sweet. Pumped for those. And then I just need to get rotors for the front. We'll be good to go there. Pads as well. And the rears we do need to get adapter plates for, because the only brackets they came with were like sound deadening brackets from a STI. They're not adapter brackets, so completely different there. But I'm going to slap the wheel back on and then call it a day again. Pretty quick and easy. Got nothing else really going on right now, so peace out.